You got this award today. What do you want to say about this?
I'm extremely happy. The kind of recognition that we players do get time and often. It's actually wonderful when when you're recognized by a lot of I would say a lot of faculty members. As I said earlier, I've played a lot of cricket from Delhi, and to be able to come back here and get the award from Rohan sir is kind of a great feeling.
Pratika, recently concluded Test match, you got your 50 on debut. How do you describe? You always talked about in the video as well that was shared by the BCCI that you love playing Test cricket and you used to watch it with your father for a very long period of time during the childhood. So, what do you want to say about Test cricket?
So Test cricket, I think it's one of the most beautiful format this game has to offer, and I've said this a million times now. I'm gonna say it again. But as a child, I've always been told by my father and by my coach, this is the format that you have to do well in, and when you're groomed in a way that you have to do well in this format, so you kind of get a feeling ki, okay, this is my format. Okay, I have to do well in this. So this is the kind of format I've been groomed by my father and by my coach. I've seen a lot of batting videos of legends, Sir Vivid Richards, or by Sachin sir, maybe Brian Lara, Ricky Ponting, and I used to admire them how they used to bat in the Test cricket, and it definitely tests your patience, your character, your determination, your focus. So it's altogether, a perfect combination of how well, your character is. Do you have that fighting spirit in order to, survive in that test match? So I think, I can go on and on in this format, but this is one of the most
But do you
beautiful
bat
formats.
for more of women Test matches? The kind of scheduling that happens, the women Test matches somehow don't find that much of space in the throughout the year. So, do you think that more of Test matches should be played? Like,
Of course, it goes without saying. I mean, the more, the better. The kind of experience that you get after playing a test match, it improves you a lot as a player, not just as a player but as an individual as well. So the more the number of matches, I think it's going to do wonders for us.
and talking about down the line this year, T20 World Cup in hindsight, and also the Commonwealth Games, where you will be also maybe like you will be also the part of the team. So, talking about your form, you haven't played T20 cricket for a while because of the injury that you
Right.
sustained, unfortunately. So, what are your plans now going ahead?
See, my plans are pretty simple. I just do what I've been told to. My job is to do well for the country, to contribute as much as I can. Irrespective of the results, I like to think of one game at a time. I don't look in the future. So my only objective right now is to, just perform with my utmost capabilities. That's it.
And talking about the Naman Awards last evening, you all were there. You all were on the stage together. How was the feeling? How do you describe that? And
Oh,
you,
it was a gala time. Yesterday night. I mean, I've enjoyed a lot. It was my first award session with the BCCI, and it was an amazing evening. These recognitions, these awards, they motivate you. I won't say like it's the only thing that motivates you, but it's definitely a kind of motivation because when you do well, you do expect some kind of recognition, and the way BCCI has been recognizing all the champions, we've had like 5 trophies in the previous and this year. So I think it's a massive step for cricket as whole in India, and cricket in India is doing extremely well.
has November 2 sunk in yet?
Oh,
Like,
not yet, not yet, and I don't think it should. It should stay like this forever.